Hello, we are the Charging Champions FTC team number 8660, and in this tutorial we'll be explaining about 3D sketches. This is more an advanced topic. You won't be really using this much. We've actually never really used 3D sketches, although we know how to use them. We haven't really used them in our robot. We mainly use 2D sketches. Regardless, I'm still gonna teach that. So first thing, open up your standard file. And over here, instead of starting a 2D sketch, start a 3D sketch. And as you can see over here, this stuff right here is pretty much standard, but over here it's more complicated stuff. So it's basically the same thing as your regular 2D sketch. And over here I'm just drawing a line, and I can keep drawing it until I press escape. And also, you can also create an arc, which is just like the one in the sketch.
But a couple of the differences are the helical curve and the spline. You haven't seen that before in Autodesk.
So spline, basically you select these two edges and I believe you go like this and it makes a curve for you. Basically you can select points and it'll make a huge curve. You can keep selecting points, it'll make the curve. It's quite interesting. Yeah, I don't think you can select back to that. So you can keep doing that. I can keep going on and on with that, just like that, because I feel like it.
And also, the helical curve is something we haven't seen before, but I'm sure many of you have heard about it before.
So basically the point of the helical curve is to create a coil. And basically what you can do, you can enter in the dimensions over here, but you can also just drag it with your mouse. So the first thing, click, and it automatically draws it for you. And you can also change the rotation. It doesn't look any different, but if I change the view, it would. So now that you've clicked over here, it sets the length. Now you're gonna set the width. You're gonna set the thickness of it. So I'm gonna make it long. I'm gonna make it pretty long. There we go. And then I can also adjust the revolutions over here too. There we go. That's pretty much what else is new. Everything else is pretty much standard, and then there's the equation, curve, point, and bend, which are slightly more complicated features. We'll be explaining those in later tutorials. But that's basically everything that you'll be using in 3D Sketch. In fact, you probably won't be using 3D Sketch much. We ourselves didn't use it, unless you're gonna create a spring or some other type of object like that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page if you like this video. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments section or email us. We'll put all this information below. Thank you for watching.